All right, quick review here. So if we want to, let's say we graph this. Oops. Equals parentheses x plus 2 parentheses x minus 2. Let me put it on the projector screen for you. There we go. Okay, so we got that, right? And if we want to stop it, say right here, so we just have this loop. So stop to start. So to do that, then go to the end of that, get these little braces or whatever you want to call them. Okay, so on the x, we want to go to from -2, all right, to +2, and it does that. Okay, so that's how we stop and start it. All right. If we want to put another one on there, say, let's do this, y equals parentheses x plus 2 x minus 2, but I'm going to flip it so it's upside down, so it looks like that, and then I think I'm going to bring it back up. Maybe I'll have it go through a 5 and a -5 on this side. Put a number out front so I can make it thinner. Okay, so let's make this cool design. So this time we're going to start this at -5 and stop it at 2. So I'm going to go to here. All right, -5 to x less than or equal to -2. Okay, so there's that part. Okay, now I don't know if this, I'll try this, see if this works. Oh, it shouldn't be an and, probably should be an or. Let's see if this does. Now let's go from 2 to 5. Nah, see, it doesn't like it. That's okay. We'll take it out. There. So, and if I just want to do the other side, I could put the same thing in and just restrict that part. Now I'll go from 2 to 5. Okay, so it looks something like that. Okay. So when you put two things together, right? We put three equations here together. So here to here to here. All right. Graph this one, restricted it. Graph this one. Remember that these numbers is where it's going to cross the x-axis. Okay. And then that's how you would get the design that you want. Now, if, and this is what I wanted to show you, suppose that, because one person's kind of worked on this already, and they had something and showed it to me, and I said, yeah, that's cool. And they just came up with their own design. I mean, you know, you could play with this. But if you wanted to, say, find an image, like I just did an image, when I did it, I think of, I think it's called like a crest or a shield or something like that. I think I did. But there's so many different things. So I mean, this is just an example, all right, of something you can do. There's so many. You could do like a roller coaster. That's another great example, all right, because they have nice loops in them. All right, you could do that. Let's try this one just for the heck of it. Oops, I think I got to go back. Sorry. Okay, so if I pick this, right, and what I could do is save the image as, and I'll just save it like that on the desktop, press enter. Okay, so I'm done with that. Then if I go into, okay, it must be doing it here. There it goes. So now if I go back into Desmos here, let me clear these. Well, I'll just leave them, I guess. So then you could come to the plus, and one of the things you can upload is an image. And there it is. Okay. So you can upload images onto here. And then if you wanted to make this one, you could. 1, 2. Yeah, you could probably do that one. Okay, something like that. But I wanted to show you how to do that. So,
where did you hit the plus sign?
So the plus sign is right here, where you add equations and stuff. And then one of the options is image.
Oh, I see it.
Okay. And another thing you can do, I'll show you this, but it's not like crucial. But if you go plus and you put a folder, then if you were going to do like maybe the left part of this, you could go left and then press enter. And then anything that you type below this, as far as equation-wise, would go into the left part of it. And then you can take the folder. Here, let me see if I can drag it up to show you kind of how it works. I don't know if I can. No. You can move these folders up. Oh, there it goes. So anything then that I put, there's like a little line here, you can probably barely see, it's pretty light. But if I take this and do the same thing, come on, there it goes. It's really light. It's easier with a mouse. Ah. And this is getting recorded, so isn't that great? There we go. Well, anyway, so that means that this red one is in the equation. So if I hit the folder, see how it's gone? But it's actually in the folder. You just can't see it. All right, but that's just something you can do if you want. I don't think yours are going to be too cluttery. If you had a lot of equations on there, you might just want to say, I think I'll stick that in a folder so I can organize it a little bit better. And if you don't want the image here, so if you try to make this, then you can just click off of it, see? On and off, and it's right there, and it won't be there, so you can check it out. Okay. That's just an example. I mean, there's a lot of different things you can do. And I think I showed somebody, actually, if you go to the whole website here, and this is a little bit graphic. Let's see, Desmos. Let's just go on this. And I think it's under here. No, that's not it. Do that. And where's the art? Is it underneath there? I don't know if it is. I wish I could. They had it, and it was easier to find, but now I'm not finding it very well. Oh, sorry. Now I know there's a art thing on here. Oh, here it is. Yeah, oh my gosh is right. So I mean, these are some things that have been done. Okay, but I'm not asking you to do anything like that. But you can kind of get the idea where they took an image and. Okay. And they're using a lot more sophisticated kind of equations than just polynomials. Okay, pumping one's kind of neat. And a spider. But so anyway, gives you some ideas. I'm not looking for anything like that because that's really time consuming. And again, using other things than what we have access to. So I just wanted to show you how to import an image. I want to show you where to find the images, how to restrict them again, how to put them together, you know, that kind of thing. So that's recorded, and I'll upload it this weekend, and then you can work on it. So the plan is we turn this in on the 5th, which is the day I'm gone, right? So I'm going to get you some lab time. So if you want to work on it some that Saturday, I'll build some time in for that, like 45 minutes, something like that, an hour, whatever. Okay. And then to save it or to send it to me, I would just copy this link and then copy that and send me an email, and I'll get that. So that's how I mainly we're going to look at it. Okay. Any questions on that? Kind of. I mean. So you can design your own thing if you want to, or you can do this, whatever you find that interests you.
Something as simple as like your initials.
Aaron, I think the guidelines are 6 polynomials.
Yeah.
So, and they can't be lines, right? I think I said something like if you use 6 polynomials, then you can use some lines or something like that. I'd have to look, but
This could be in addition to.
So.
Well, I mean, if you wrote it like a signature, you start getting into.
Yeah, as long as you have 6 polynomials, you're good to go. Okay? So if you want to have 20, that's up to you. For your signature, right?
Right. Well, I mean, just the.
I know what you're saying, yeah. Okay, so I want to stop.